Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This time we'll be looking at a possible mass UFO or UAP sighting on Mars. It was Sol 3828 at the time. The Rover Curiosity took two important photographs on the 30th of October 2021. Credit to this discovery goes to Joe White from ArtAlienTV. The right front hazard avoidance camera or Hazcam took this photograph. We'll be looking at the strange anomalies that were photographed there in the Martian sky way out over the horizon. Right, here's that photograph downloaded directly from the NASA site, and as always I'll include the link to the source material in the video description. So we'll be zooming in on the three items highlighted there. To the left we're looking at an enlargement of those three anomalies using conventional magnification, and to the right those three anomalies upscaled using deconvolution and mathematical processes in Topaz Labs Gigapixel, so it can make out the shapes in both correspond. The only difference is with the deconvolution methodology that Gigapixel uses, it preserves edges and gets rid of noise, so we get clean, crisp, upscaled images. For context, here we can see the three anomalies as well as the Martian terrain, the horizon out there towards the back, and over here close to the front we can see part of the rover as well as the wheels to the left and right. So let's zoom in on those three items highlighted there. This strange anomaly to the left, we've seen that one in many photographs in the past as well. It looks like it's a defect of the camera itself. Right, so there's a closer look at that strange artifact in the camera and the three anomalies to the right. And here's a close-up of those three objects. So you've seen this one to the right in multiple Rover Curiosity photographs. This time, however, there's two smaller ones that accompany this larger object. They're light grey in color, indicating they might be further from the camera. Strange acorn shape to that one, and that one there's got like an orb shape to it. Here's the photograph taken by the left front Hazcam on the same date and time. So let's have a look at this photograph. And here's that photograph. We can make out the wheels and part of the rover to the top left and right. Alright, so here we're looking at the two photographs for comparison, front left and front right. Note the detail that's visible on the right photograph, and then less of those details of the rover are visible on the left. The wheels also seem larger, and the part of the rover that's visible there seems to be cropped. So those anomalies in the Martian sky are not visible on the left, possibly due to optical distortion and a zoom. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with me, folks. If we draw a line through here, through the horizontal, to match what's visible over here to the left, you can see those artifacts or anomalies out there in the Martian sky would not have been photographed. It's very intriguing. I hope you enjoyed this brief presentation. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with like-minded friends. I look forward to engaging with you in the comments. As always, thanks for watching.